So basically Kai's practicing using his gears and riding a trail. And he's on the lowest gear now. Have you ridden on the lowest gear before, Kai?
Nope.
Never ridden on the lowest gear before? Okay, because he's never needed it on the park. But he kind of needs it now because it doesn't look as steep when you're looking on the camera. But this is a flipping steep hill basically. So this is really, like, he's going to go up here. So Kai, when you're ready. No, see how high you can get? All you got to do is get off the bike. Come on. You got lowest gear now. The worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to probably wheelie or the back wheel's going to slip. Go up the steep one, go up the steep one. Or go up the low one first, then go on. Keep going, power, power, power. Power, power, power. Let's see if you can go all the way to the top on the low one, or the little hill. Do it. He's on the lowest gear. Can he do it? Is he going to do it? Get right to the top. Come back down the go on the grass, turn around and come back down the same way. Whoa! Kai, what are you doing on the floor? What are you doing on the floor? Turn around and come back. You're not supposed to fall off the bike. Kai, can you please not fall off the bike? Come on. I thought you was going to go on the big grass area and turn around. What are you trying to turn around there for? Come on. Get on the bike then. Get on the bike then. Oh, let's have a look at your little baby knee. Let's have a look.
Quiet.
What do you mean be quiet? You just said he was like hurting. Come on, you said he was hurting. Come on, Kai. Go when you're ready. Second attempt, Kai. Same hill. He's going to try and power it all the way up without falling on his butt. He's going to go onto the grass, that's the plan. The big area there. He's going to turn around and come back without dropping his feet. So he's training. I mean, don't get me wrong, I can't do any of this stuff, but it's funny watching him fall. All the way, turn around. Oh my days. Come on. Kai, where you gone? What do you mean help? Get off the bike. Come back and just roll down the hill then. Come back and roll down the hill. I'm going to attempt that one in a minute. That one's a lot steeper. I'm going to try and climb that one. If anything, the back tyre keeps spinning or the front wheel keeps coming up. Come on then, Kai. Riding down. Don't pedal, just use your brakes. When you're ready. Both brakes. Yeah, but put your feet on the pedals then at least. When I said don't pedal, I don't mean like literally hang your feet. How slow are you going, man? What the heck? It's actually a lot scarier than what it looks when people do it on YouTube and make it look easy. Damn it.